I'm Miss Joy and welcome to In the Bag Kids Crafts. And today crafting with me is Isabelle. Isabelle, I am always so happy to have you making crafts with me. Last time you came, we made a unicorn, but today we're gonna make
Ghost.
Ghost, yes. And not only are we gonna make ghosts, but we're gonna make a ghost that you can then play a game with called Ghost Paddleball. And we'll teach you how to play the game too. So stick around and ready to get started? Yeah, let's go. All right. Here are the items that you're going to need to make your ghost puppet. And just like always, the things on this list are part of the master list of craft supplies that we use for every single one of our creative projects here at In the Bag Kids Crafts. That way, once you fill your bag, you're ready to craft along. So go ahead and pause this so you can gather all the things that you need to make the ghost puppet with us. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and make our ghosts that are gonna turn into paddle balls, or you can even call them puppets if you wanna make them puppets. All we need is to turn our plate so that it's a regular side up, just like you have it, good. And we're just gonna draw a ghost face. So it does not have to look like mine. Your ghost can look however you want. We're just gonna use black markers, but you can also pull out your colored markers if you prefer. So, Isabelle, you draw yours, I'll draw mine.
I'm gonna do it with pencil.
Oh, I like that. And I know you said you wanted to add some googly eyes too, so you can add googly eyes to yours. And yeah, that's something else you can do is you can draw with pencil and then go over it with your marker so that you're sure that it's what you want to make.
The eyes are so small.
Yeah, that's okay because you're going to add googly eyes right over top and those are nice and big. So now you just know where you're going to put them. So don't worry about that.
So I can just do this.
And you can have a tiny little mouth, or I'm giving mine a big mouth like he's saying boo. You could even write boo on it if you wanted to. I'm not going to write boo.
I have an idea.
You do? Okay, I like your ideas. You always have good crafting ideas. So literally, we're just going to make
wait,
our
it
ghost.
left the papa mark.
That's okay. Do we need another plate? No? Okay. If you want another plate, we can get one. Let me know. Oh.
Too big, but it's fine.
Oh yeah, that'll be fine. You can color it in, or you can leave it like that. Mine's a really big mouth.
Or I can just do it bigger.
Oh, even bigger. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. So. Give them some ghoulish eyes.
You have to make sure like all the Sharpies dry.
Yeah, that's true, because it will kind of get onto your clothes and on your hand, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it can get like everywhere.
And if you do decide to use regular markers on this, sometimes they do rub off real easy. So you can use the bottom of the plate instead, which is more paper. It doesn't have this coating on it.
This should dry fast.
It should dry pretty fast. Yeah, I think so too.
Because it's Sharpie and Sharpies dry fast.
Yeah.
Like, it's dry.
Yeah,
But
good.
when you first put it on, it's probably a little.
I think so too. Yeah. So this is going to be my ghost. I'm not going to do much with my ghost. I'm going to keep them pretty simple, but you can make your
I
ghost
got a little on me.
as elaborate as you want. So,
Yeah, it happens.
all right, it
Just have
happens.
to-
It'll wash off. So here's my ghost.
Well,
You
if
think
it's
that I
just
do
a
okay?
little, it's fine.
Yeah. So I know you said you're going to give yours googly eyes. I can't wait to see that. That'll be fun. So you can use whatever you have in your craft bag. If you want to add little pieces of paper or little pieces of tissue paper, make them a colorful rainbow ghost. That's fine too. Oh, yours is that's funny.
It's tattoo.
That I like it. All right, let's see those big googly eyes. Let's see how they go. So we're using 25mm self-adhesive googly eyes because they like those, so you can just peel and stick. Okay, so now that we have our ghost faces drawn, we're gonna flip them over. And we're gonna give them a little handle. Okay, so we got our large popsicle sticks. Yeah.
So you don't see it on the front because it's
That's
like that.
right, exactly. So
I was wondering
when you
what
flip
the-
them over, you want to kind of make sure you are like have the stick down at the bottom. Yeah. Oh, pull tight. Pull across the top. There you go. You got it. Tape was being tough. I'm up here in the middle of the table. It was mad at you. I want to make sure I have lots of tape on here so that the stick does not move when we're playing with it. So you're going to check where your stick is. See, it made my head as a little crooked. I'm going to leave it like that. I kind of like it. I think it's okay. Really, the stick probably should have come out down here. Oh, yours is much better. Here, put it like this. Let's see.
Mine's still
There we go. Yeah, her stick's a little better than mine. All right, so it is hard to get that stick nice and straight. So if I wanted to, I could take it back off, put it back on, but I'm okay with it being a little
And
crooked.
it's alright if it rips on that back.
Yeah.
Because you're not gonna see the back.
Yeah, and you can add another piece of tape if it comes off, right? So let's go ahead and make it, make it stick really well. And
Stick more.
let's see. That's all it is. That's all we're gonna do. Now we're gonna play a little game with this. We'll show you guys how to play Ghost Paddleball. All right. Thank you so much for crafting with us today. And Isabelle, I love how your ghost turned out. I like the wiggly eyes. That was a good idea.
And I messed up.
No, it's never messing up.
Bob!
We were joking that even though we meant to say Boo and it says Bob, we think like maybe Bob's his like ghost friend. Like, hey Bob, right?
Hey Bob!
Hey Bob. All right. So thank you so much, and I hope you will stick around and play the game with us too. All right.